If you just need to create a digital replica of your print publication, In5's Easy Export Wizard makes it, well, easy. Here's the publication that we'll be working with today. To keep file sizes for this course manageable, this is just a 12-page document, but I've tried to make it as real-life as possible with front and back covers, a table of contents, a feature, sidebars, and an infographic. But of course, everything you'll learn in this course will work equally well for longer, more complex documents. To quickly and easily convert this to a digital replica version, choose Easy Export Wizard from the In5 menu. In5 asks what type of thing you're trying to create. Note that as you hover over an option, it explains in more detail what that option is exactly. Choose Flipbook, and then click Next. Now In5 asks you to choose between editable HTML text that's searchable and selectable but might not match your layout exactly, or pixel perfect text that will match your layout precisely. Choose Pixel Perfect and then click Next. This title will display in the browser, so you probably don't want it to use just the file name as displayed here. Type Yoga Magazine for the title and click Export Now. When In5 is finished, choose Open in Default Browser and examine the output. Looks great, huh? With In5's Easy Export Wizard, all you need to do is answer a couple of questions, and then In5 configures all the export settings for you, making it super easy to create beautiful digital replicas of your print content.